everyone, this is Ramontine and you're watching your Innovative Kids channel. So today I'm going to show you a yummy and delicious recipe called bread cake. This bread cake don't need to bake. So this is a fireless cooking recipe. You can do it in your online competitions. And the taste is just like the bakeries. So for that, first I am taking one bowl and putting some of the ice cubes in this, and then I am taking one bowl. In that I am adding the whipping cream and I am blending with a hand mixer. So if you want to make a smooth and thick cream, you have to the bowl should be kept in the refrigerator. Then only the consistency will come like a cream. So in that, I'm just adding some of the butterscotch essence. If you have vanilla essence, you can add that also. I want to try butterscotch, so I had put some butterscotch essence. And then you have to just blend it for 5 to 10 minutes. So this is our whipping cream. It is ready now. How to check the consistency means we have to put the cream bowl upside down like this. It should not fall. So this is the correct consistency. It is not falling. So this is the correct consistency. So after making the cream, now we have to make a sugar syrup. So to make that, we need 1 cup of sugar and little bit of water. And you have to stir it well until the sugar dissolves. So after mixing, let's keep aside. So now I'm taking 4 bread slices and I'm cutting the brown part. So if you want that, you can have it or else you can cut it. And then I'm just taking some of the cream and keeping on the plate and taking one bread and keeping. So in that I'm adding some our sugar syrup. So over that we have to add the cream. Why we are adding that sugar syrup means because then only the bread actually it will be hard. So that's why. So you have to do it as layers. Okay. So cream, bread like that. So I'm just making 4 of the bread sizes I'm doing. So after doing the layer, you have to spread all the cream in all the sides of the bread. So you have to spread the cream all sides. Okay. Then only it will be even for us to eat. So after spreading nicely, you have to spread it. Okay. After spreading, you will get like this. Okay. So I'm adding some of the sprinkles, rainbow sprinkles. So it is your choice. Okay, I like sprinkles very much. So I'm adding in the border. Okay. So it is your optional. So I love choco rolls. So I'm taking that. And I'm keeping some of the blue, pink, orange. Like that I'm taking some of the edible hearts. Like that the sprinkles. So I'm keeping that also. So whatever you are having, you can keep it on the bread cake. So you also try this. So now I'm keeping one doll. It is not edible. Just for looking beautiful I'm keeping. So if you can make it a chocolate. If you want, you can make it. I don't want to eat like that. I'm not taking edible. So I'm taking some more of the heart sprinkles and keeping outside the cake. then it will be pretty, yes. So for that I'm taking some orange, blue, pink, green, like that I'm keeping, and white also. So I was keeping the heart over it, but it small down. So our cake is ready. So you like this, I think. You also try this in your home and enjoy. So now I'm going to cut it. This beautiful sponge layer cake. So you can see it. So now my yummy and delicious bread cake is ready. I'm going to test it. It is yummy and delicious. It is same like in the bakery shops. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.